Hi guys, so are you looking for a cool and creamy no-bake dessert? I have the perfect one for you today.
Hey guys, so if you are new, welcome, and to everybody, thank you so much for joining me on another video. So today's video is once again a part of the quarantine collab that is hosted by the Sister Circle. The collab is hosted by the head of the Sister Circle, Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan, and it is also co-hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. So this recipe that I am doing today is recipe number 4 or video number 4 of this 4-week quarantine cooking collab. So don't forget the playlist of all of the other videos that are participating in this week's collab will be listed in the description box down below. There you will be able to find a lot of different recipes that'll give you some new ideas of something that you can try while we are still hashtag at home with us.
Hi guys, here are the ingredients for this recipe. You're going to need a graham cracker crust, some vanilla pudding, some Cool Whip, sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese, and 1 orange. Alright, so getting this pie started off, first I'm going to add into my mixer a block of cream cheese. So you want to set your cream cheese out to soften at room temperature. And to that cream cheese, I'm going to add in some sweetened condensed milk. I'll have the recipe ingredients listed down below, and the directions will be listed on my blog. Alright, so after those ingredients are added to the mixer, you can either use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. You just want to mix it up until it is thoroughly combined. Alright guys, so if you are enjoying this video, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. I am a full-time working married mom of 3, and I'm also a home cook who loves to try new recipes and also share them with you to inspire you to try something new also. So if you are looking for fun, new ideas and delicious recipes, I invite you to join the inspiring Mealtime family and click the subscribe button. Don't forget, also click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Alright, so the next step is I added in some Cool Whip to that cream cheese and sweetened condensed mixture and just mixed it up good. Alright, so all of that is now going to go into the graham cracker crust. So this is going to be the bottom layer or the first layer of this sunshine pie. Alright, so getting ready for the next layer of the pie, I'm going to add in sweetened condensed milk, the rest of it, to the mixer bowl. And then after that, I'm going to add in some more of the Cool Whip topping. And then I'm going to add in the orange juice and mix that all up. Alright, so once that is all mixed up, I'm going to next add in the packet of vanilla pudding to that mixture. Okay, let's take a quick break for viewer appreciation. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching all my videos, and leaving me comments. What I'm going to do is randomly select one comment from my videos each week and then spotlight them on one of my videos on the following week. So in order to be one of the ones that are picked, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and leave me comments. So once again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, watching, and leaving me comments. Thank you so much. All right, back to the video. All right, so now that that is all mixed, we're gonna add it to the pie. So this is going to be the second layer to this sunshine pie. You just wanna smooth it all on top of the other layer, just nice and smooth. All right, so now for the final layer, I am adding the orange peeling to the remainder of the Cool Whip. I'm just adding it into this bowl here. But as I'm mixing it in, it doesn't look like a lot to be able to go over the rest of the pie as a third layer. So I'm gonna make me some homemade whipped cream. So I'm just adding in some heavy whipping cream here, and then I am adding in some vanilla, and then I'm also going to add in some powdered sugar to make it sweet. And I'm just gonna whip it up in my whipped cream maker. Alright, so now that I have my homemade whipped cream all mixed up, I'm just going to add that to the rest of this Cool Whip here to make it a little bit more than what was left over. Honestly, I did not start off with a whole full container of Cool Whip. I still don't think that that would have been enough even if I had had a full container. So maybe for this recipe you might need a container and a half of Cool Whip. Or if you make your own, maybe make about a cup to a cup and a half of whipped cream. But so I'm just taking that whipped cream and then orange peeling mixture and then layering that on as the last layer of this pie. So that is it. Just smooth it on out and get everything covered all nice and even, well, as best as possible, nice and evenly. And you can see the little pieces of orange peel in the Cool Whip, and it just gives it a nice pretty color and also a nice citrus taste. Alright, so after all that, popped it into the refrigerator, and it's best to chill for at least 4 to 8 hours or overnight. I probably chilled this for like 3 hours or 4 hours, to be honest. I was really anxious to get a piece of it and show you guys what it looked like. It does set up better when it's chilled for longer, but these few hours did allow it to set up and chill pretty good. So I'm just going to go in and get a piece of it, and I want you to see the layers from the 3 different layers of how you can actually see them after you slice it. So here, of course, some of the crust had to break apart, but you know, that's how graham cracker crust does sometimes. But if you can see each one of those layers in the pie, and it looks so pretty. But anyways, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is really easy to do, and with the summertime coming up, it's a nice, refreshing citrus pie. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye y'all.